Introducing Family Budget, an app made to make managing money easier for busy parents. It's designed for families, helping you track spending, manage this allowance, and plan your budget. With Family Budget, parents can handle their finances easily, ensuring their family's future is secure. We created Family Budget because we saw many parents struggling with managing their money. Here are the main reasons why we chose this project. First, parents have many responsibilities and planning money spending can be tough. We wanted to make this easier. Second, when we look at the Google Play Store and Apple App Store, we noticed a few good financial management apps made for families. Most apps are for individuals, not parents managing a household. And lastly, teaching kids about money is important. We wanted to help parents set up and manage allowance for their children easily.
Family Budget aims to solve several big problems. First, after COVID-19, the prices of many items went up. This makes it harder for families to plan their budgets. We wanted to help families adjust to these changes. Second, there aren't enough good financial apps designed for families in the app stores. Many parents need a tool that's made just for them. Third, new parents, especially those with their first child, often struggle to manage their finances. We wanted to create an app that makes it easier for them to plan their budget and manage their money.
Our journey starts with registering or logging into the app. Users, who can be either parents or children, enter their details, which are securely stored in the account details file. Once registered, users receive a confirmation that their registration is complete, or if logging in, they get a confirmation that their login details are correct. Next is the expense tracking process. Here, both parents and children can add their expenses. Parents also have the option to add a child to the expenses list. All expense details are stored in the expenses details file. The system shows the expenses of both the child and the parents, but only parents can view both set of expenses. Then we have the goal setting process. Parents can set their financial goals, and the system will track their progress and provide spending tips. All this information is stored in the goals file. Next is the application setting process. Both parents and children can adjust their preferred settings, like enabling dark mode or colorblind options. The system changes the settings based on the user's preference. The feedback process allows users to send their feedback about the app. All feedback is stored in the feedback file. The system confirms once the feedback has been submitted. Finally, we have the alert notification feature. The system alerts parents if they are overspending, detected through the expense tracking process. This helps parents stay on top of their finances.
We use the waterfall method to develop Family Budget. This method involves several stages. The first one is requirement gathering and analysis. We started by collecting all the requirements from our stakeholders, ensuring we understand what parents and children need in a financial management app. The second one is user interface design. We designed a user-friendly interface tailored specifically for families. Thirdly, database design and setup. We created the architecture of our database to store all user information securely. The fourth one being back-end and front-end development. Our developers wrote the code to build the system, focusing on both back-end logic and front-end user experience. Next one is integration testing. After coding, we combined all the modules and tested the system to ensure everything works correctly and free of bugs. After that, user acceptance testing. We had real users to test the app to ensure it meets their expectation and is easy to use. Moving on, we have bug fixing and quality assurance. We fixed any issues found during testing and ensured the app meets high quality standards. Next, deployment and implementation. Once testing was complete, we deployed Family Budget in a real environment for families to start using it. And finally, user training and support. Finally, we provide training and support to help users get the most out of Family Budget.
This is the prototype of our project. Our journey starts with the welcome page, where user can log in or register. On the login page, user enter their username and password to access their account. New user can go to the register page where they enter their details to create a new account. This ensures that each user has a personalized experience and that their information is safe and secure. Once logging in, user land on the home page, which feature buttons leading to the expenses tracking, goal settings, and feedback pages. There are also a settings button on the top right for customizing the app. On the expenses tracking page, user can access up 4 main option. Expenses details, which show an overview of all expenses. Child expenses detail, which show detailed expenses for each child. Add expenses, where user can input their own expenses, and add child expenses, where parents can put their child expenses. Next, we have the goals page, where parents can add their financial goal and view spending advices. The add goal option allows user to set specific financial targets, while spending advice offer personalized tips to help achieve this goal. The feedback page allows user to rate the app and leave comment. User can customize the app experience on the setting page. Options include enabling dark mode, adjusting for colorblind accessibility, and changing the app theme to suit their style. This setting assures a comfortable and personalized experience for everyone.